I've made $695 with Nexus Snap, and here's how. Yo, what's up? Welcome to Team Go Mode. In this video, I'm doing a quick update on Nexus Snap or Nexus Rewards, because some people call it Nexus Rewards, some people call this Nexus Snap, but it's the same damn thing. Now, if you're not familiar with what Nexus Snap is, it is a network marketing / affiliate marketing opportunity in the cash back and savings industry. All right, so it's basically a membership site where you pay $9.95 a month, and you're going to get access to all of these apps and discount saving programs, blah blah blah. Now there's a business opportunity connected to Nexus Snap where you can actually promote the opportunity and build a monthly recurring income. So this is a dope ass opportunity, and more people are joining Nexus Snap every single day. So how much have I made since I've been a member of Nexus Rewards or Nexus Snap, whatever the hell? You see right here, $695, right? So of course, you've seen the title of the video, you're like, yo, that's cool, you made that money, but how? How did you make this money, right? Are you a big guru? Did you use a list? Like, who you know? Like what? Like, how you do it, right? I'm gonna tell you right now. How I made this money is by doing what you're seeing right now. Creating YouTube videos. That's it, right? Like, that's where I believe 95% of that $695 come from, is doing YouTube videos, right? And I personally believe that YouTube is one of the best ways to promote anything that you're involved with, but especially when it comes to like Nexus Snap, because it doesn't even really matter what kind of YouTube channel you have, because Nexus Snap is such a universal opportunity that pretty much anybody who sees it may be interested in it, right? So you don't even necessarily have to have a Make Money Online channel to promote Nexus Snap. So the first thing I did was create a video talking about why I joined Nexus Snap. Then after that, I just did several videos talking about the many benefits that joining this opportunity has. Then I did a video, maybe not in this order, but then I did a video talking about the compensation plan and the earning potential that Nexus Snap has. All right. And then in the future, I'm just going to, constantly do update videos, just like I'm doing right now, because this is how I got eyeballs to the opportunity, and this is how anybody can get eyeballs to this opportunity and actually start making money. Now, that's how I did it, right? But there are people in Nexus Snap who making way more money than I am, and they don't mess with YouTube, right? Their thing is maybe Facebook. Some people using Instagram. Some people doing the whole offline marketing thing, which I like, which I want to start doing. I just ain't done it yet. But a lot of people doing offline, right? So like, this how I'm growing my Nexus business, but you can do it, but you have to do it how you feel comfortable doing it. And not even necessarily uncomfortable, but whatever method that you can do on a regular basis and stick with it and be consistent, that's what you need to do. That's how you're going to grow your Nexus business. The problem is, and I talked about this in another video, like, and it's annoying as shit, but like, people join this opportunity, as dope as it is, right? Like, when you see Nexus Snap and you actually watch the presentation video, you look at the testimonials and all that, and the shit's real, because like I know, because I'm involved with it. Like, a lot of people, they get excited, they'll join, right? They'll become an affiliate and all of that, and they get excited. But they do two things that piss me off. The first thing is, they don't even take advantage of being a member in Nexus Snap, which means they don't actually use the cashback apps. They don't use the bill reduction program. They don't use the prescription discount program. They don't use the free apps. They don't take advantage at all of the membership, which is crazy to me, right? But then the second thing, which is the biggest, like, I don't understand, they don't promote it, right? And when I'm talking about promoting it, I am not talking about telling two people, sending two private messages on Facebook, or making 2 posts about it on your Facebook wall, or creating one. No. When I talk about promoting, I'm talking about promoting, right? Like, you got your shit laid out. Like, all right, this is what I do every day to get eyeballs to my Nexus business. This is what I do, right? This is my 3-month marketing plan. That's where people go wrong. That's why people do not make money with this opportunity. It's not because it's a scam. It's not because it's too saturated. It's because people don't go hard with it. And I really think, as cheap as this is to get involved with, because it's what, $40 to become an affiliate for life, and it's $9.95 a month. So for under $10 a month, you have unlimited earning potential. And I think people like that at first. That's why they join it so cheap. But I think they take for granted, because they're only paying $10 a month to be a member. They're like, you know what I mean, I promote it, whatever. It's not mandatory, right? Now, if they would have paid $5,000 to be involved with Nexus, then they'll feel obligated to actually do shit, because they're like, yo, I gotta get my $5,000 worth. Like, I gotta make this work, right? I maxed out my credit card to be a part of this shit, right? But when it's people, once they join, it's only $10 a month. You know what I mean? They ain't really making no money. They're not promoting it. They don't care. It's like no big deal, right? And either they'll keep that paying that $9.95, or they'll quit in 6 months and be like, oh, whatever, right? Like, you cannot take for granted how cheap this opportunity is, because it's only $10. Like, you need to treat it like you invested, like you're paying $1,000 to be a member a month. That's how you need to treat it if you want to be successful, if you want to make money with this opportunity. Because I say it all the time when I talk about Nexus, like, it is a win-win situation. Because even if you join Nexus Snap and you just use the apps and the discount programs that you get as a member, you're going to be getting money back. You're going to be saving money and making money just by being a member, right? So that's one thing. But if you actually take time to promote this and get it out there to as many people as you can, damn that, I just posted on Facebook like once, twice a week, nobody signed up. No, come up with a real strategy. This can be a real business. Because it's $10 a month, people do not take it serious. And that's a fact. Because there's no reason that if I can make almost $700 with this opportunity just by creating some videos, just talking, there's no reason why you or anybody else can't do the same thing. None. So instead of being like, oh, well, it's a scam, or I don't got time, or nah, you do. You know what I mean? It's just, the fact is, are you willing to put in the effort that it takes to make money with this opportunity or any opportunity that you're involved with? That's what it's about. $695, that's cool, but that's nothing to what I plan on making with this opportunity. This opportunity is new as hell, right? A lot of people still aren't hip to Nexus Snap, Nexus Rewards, but more and more people are starting to talk about it. They're starting to join this opportunity, and they're starting to make some serious money with this opportunity. And that's what I plan on doing. So if you want to check out Nexus Snap for yourself and jump on the team and start building up your own monthly income, click that link in the description, and I will see you on the team.